Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about a delicious and nutritious drink that you may have never heard of before: neck pumpkin juice. Neck pumpkin, also known as long neck squash or bottle gourd, is a type of squash that is commonly found in tropical and subtropical regions. It has a mild flavor and is often used in soups and stews, but it can also be juiced to make a refreshing and healthy drink. Not only is neck pumpkin juice delicious, it's also packed with nutrients that can benefit your health. For example, it's rich in vitamin C, which is important for immune system function, and it also contains antioxidants that can protect against cell damage and inflammation. But that's not all. Neck pumpkin juice also has some impressive cardiovascular benefits that you may not be aware of. Some studies have suggested that it can function like a kind of detergent in your veins and arteries, helping to remove built-up plaque and improve blood flow. This is important because when your arteries become clogged with plaque, it can lead to serious health problems like heart disease, stroke, and even death. By regularly consuming neck pumpkin juice, you may be able to reduce your risk of these conditions and keep your heart and circulatory system healthy. It's important to note that many of these potential benefits are based on preliminary studies, and more research is needed to confirm their effectiveness. As always, it's best to talk to your doctor or a qualified healthcare provider before making any major changes to your diet or lifestyle. Neck pumpkin juice can be made by blending or juicing the skin and flesh of the neck pumpkin. While most people are familiar with using the flesh of the pumpkin in recipes, the skin and rind are often overlooked. However, the skin and rind of the neck pumpkin are actually quite nutritious and contain many of the same vitamins and minerals as the flesh. For example, they are a good source of vitamin A, which is important for eye health, and vitamin C, which can boost immune function. In addition, the skin and rind of the neck pumpkin are rich in fiber, which can help to regulate digestion and promote feelings of fullness. This can be particularly helpful for people who are trying to lose weight or maintain a healthy weight. Some people also believe that the skin and rind of the neck pumpkin may have specific health benefits, such as reducing inflammation or improving heart health. However, more research is needed to confirm these claims. Overall, adding neck pumpkin skin and rind to your juice is a great way to boost the nutritional content of your drink and make use of parts of the vegetable that are often discarded. So why not give it a try and see how you like it? O suco da cascafale do suco da casca des tipo de abobora. I apologize for the confusion earlier. Yes, you're correct, the juice is typically made from the skin or rind of the neck pumpkin, rather than the flesh. The skin and rind of the neck pumpkin are typically harder and tougher than the flesh, so they may require more effort to juice or blend. However, they are also highly nutritious and contain a variety of vitamins, minerals, and other beneficial compounds. So if you're looking for a tasty and healthy drink to add to your diet, be sure to give neck pumpkin juice a try. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. We've got plenty more content coming your way, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, please subscribe to our channel and hit that like button. And if you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave them down below. See you in the next video.